So after 2 days of being sick, coming back to the prints, I just turned them off 2 days ago in the evening. That's the final task I've been administering to this one. We got our part for the wind turbine ready, and we'll set these up for a new one. And I'll have a special personal product on the USB now. Can we focus, please? Yes. On the USB here, so we'll clear the build plate. This one turned out nicely. Little stringing, but that's due to the damp and moist surroundings here. Have to crack out the supports still, but we'll do fine with that. So, fire up. We'll change this one. And the other way around. Here we go. Will this be enough? For now I think we'll have to change filaments, so let's start this one up. I won't bother you with changing the filament, and yeah, bring this one to the next level. We got the nose to the shaft done, so shaft shroud is the next. Number 9. Shaft shroud, here we go. K factor set, and go for heating the bed. So, I'll be back with some results, perhaps in the evening, perhaps tomorrow morning. Until then, have a great 3D printing day, and I'll see you all next time. Bye bye.